Is that light out? Huh. Yeah. Oh, there it went. Huh. That's weird. Right, well, I'm going to go get a haircut. It's nice out today after the rain and stuff yesterday. It's going to be nice the next couple days. See if I can get to the barber shop before they close at 5. So, how's everybody doing today? Hopefully it's at least partially nice wherever you're at. The door. I'm sure everybody's heard about Elon Musk trying to buy Twitter. I don't have a Twitter account. If he happens to buy it, I may get me a Twitter account. I don't get it just because they don't like the Second Amendment, especially the new guy they got in there. Free speech is not a thing. Everybody's going batshit crazy about Elon Musk. But he's a kind of a troll. Throw down $1 billion just to take that 9 point whatever percent, piss everybody off, and take his money and run and just laugh about it. As he's backing out of it, Twitter falls apart worse than it already is. I think it's kind of comical how people just want to control other people and what they say and what they do, and then they get outrageously triggered when people kind of say that's not right, let's do something about it. Then you have all the craziness going on over in Ukraine and Russia, and that's kind of nutty. I don't understand in this day and age why you think you need to take over another country. To me, it doesn't make sense other than just an ego. Thinking 4 days or so, Ohio is a constitutional carry state. So at least if you live in the state, you can conceal carry without a permit. Don't know why they had to make that a law, since you should have been able to do it anyway. But at least they have it to where you can. I'd still advise to go get a permit just so you can carry outside of Ohio more readily, because that only probably works in the state of Ohio. I'm sure some states have a constitutional carry for visitors too. I think maybe was Texas trying to do that? I don't know. I think it should just be a thing across the board. Alright, well, I'm at my barber shop and he looks like he's open, so I'm going to get off this thing, go get my hairs cut, and I will see you afterwards. Well, haircuts had. Trying to buckle my helmet up so I don't forget yet again. My bike's in gear, so I don't want to start it right this second. Alright, I don't think I want to listen to that anymore. See what kind of country is going on. Anyway, I was in there talking to this barber, and I was corrected that you can't do your concealed carry until June 12th. I thought it was this month on the 18th, but he corrected me, and that is true, June 12th. I don't know where I got the 18th of this month, of April. I don't know. I hate this road. You can't even get out half the time, and people don't give two shits. Thank you. That's surprising. That don't happen very often. Anyway, yeah, so constitutional carry is June 12th in Ohio. Yeah, that guy, that barber's he's pretty good. Well, he's a pretty nice guy. He's definitely a conservative. To let this guy go so everybody can go. Come on. Probably go home today, and I bought the heel shifter for my Indian, so I'm probably going to install that tonight. So you may see a video on that before or after this one. I don't know. It'll be probably easier to edit than this vlog. What are you doing, buddy? I hate to bring Ruroc up again, but I think the 4.0 is quieter. I can confirm that. Is that light out? Huh. Yeah. Oh, there it went. Huh. That's weird. I have to keep an eye on that. I was looking in the back of that car, and the reflection on my motorcycle, it did not look like I had the white line around this turn signal didn't look like it was working. That halo or whatever you want to call it. So that's weird. Those are custom dynamic expensive things. Let's see. Yeah, it's still working. No. Yeah, it's like it's not working there. Yeah. That's weird. To check that out when I stop. I bought the load balancer and everything. I mean, all the stuff to make it work right. And this is the first time I noticed it not looking like it was working. Sometimes I push my license plate bracket to where it's hidden, so I'm looking, make sure I didn't have that thing flip back or forward. I think I want a I don't call it a sissy bar, but something for the back of this. Not that I carry a passenger, but I like to have something to strap something to if I need it. So yeah, I don't know if I get one custom made or if I can find something halfway decent that'll fit this bike. I want it to look old school still. I don't know if I need it easily removable, but maybe, because a passenger would hate to be on this bike. I don't know, maybe it just doesn't, I don't know about this turn signaling situation. Alright, well, I'm home. So I'll get off of here and I will talk to you later. Bye.